Hi guys, so I wanted to start a new intro where I used to be like bonjour and I go, so what do you guys think? I know it's kind of weird, but whatever. So today I'm going to be going out with my sisters and my mom and my niece, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, so I'll see you when we leave because we're still waiting for my sister. She's taking forever. We were supposed to leave like a good 30 minutes ago, but whatever. But yeah, see you when we are about to take the train. So we're finally leaving. Oh, the Uber's here. We walk faster. Merci. So yeah, guys, we're finally going into the train. My sister's a little upset with us because we're late. So, hi. Oops, sorry.
Good morning.
So yeah, here's my sister and my mom.
How did I change it? Do you know?
So we got in the Uber and he kind of like pissed us off. I'll give you guys a little story time. Yeah, c'est même moun nan parce que li fait tout les deux. Montez non mami, montez.
Move over.
Wow, we're meeting on Tikal. So yeah, guys, we're supposed to be heading to go out to eat with my sister, and then we're going to go to the movies later because she has an appointment that she has to go to before. So when I get on the train, I'll explain what I was saying before. So we're on the train now. The Uber driver kind of like pissed us off because my sister ordered Uber pool, and we got in the car and he was like, "Oh, it says 2 seats and it's 3 of us."
Yeah.
So it's just like, what the heck? He's like, "Oh, change your ride to Uber X," and we're just like, we have somewhere to go. Like the train passes at 10:40, and you're complaining about if it's Uber pool, Uber X. Like, what, you want $1 more? That's why you're complaining? Like,
That made you love that I'm a homeless man doing the right things in my life. I'm never afraid to tell my family I'm homeless. And I'm never afraid to tell my family my mom be looking like I don't even know. Like she's some kind of fashion star. Look at her. She be doing the most. I know some people were saying they like seeing her on my camera, so I'm gonna show her.
Now I'm on my way to
doing the most.
Queens to see my oldest
Oh,
daughter.
good.
so my sister doesn't want to be on my vlog, so I'll show you her purse. And then I'll show you my niece. Oh, you don't want to be on there either? Okay, I guess you guys will only see my sister and you'll only see my sister and my mom. We can see you guys. Oh god, it's not good lighting. No, I haven't been here before. I just saw somebody posting about it and they had good reviews. So I was like, let's come here. What are you guys gonna get? I never know what I want to eat, by the way, guys. I'm always the last to order. Why are you wiping your Okay guys, I almost forgot to vlog, but we're done eating now. We're kind of like taking pictures. So I don't know what we're about to do now because our movie starts at 6 o'clock because we missed the earliest one, which was at, I think it was at 11, and we got here, it was like 12. So we just finished eating. The food was pretty good. If you are ever in Jackson Heights, New York, you should come to Oceanic Oceanic Boil. It was pretty good. So yeah, I'll get back to you whenever we're doing something else, because right now we're just like trying to figure out what we're doing. So yeah.
Il was on my connaît pas d'argent moi ici de en haut. Et là ouais, là aussi. Parlez non plus dans des mots. I don't mais ou na. I don't get. Et bah faut na mal.
Diana, no.
You barely in there, Jenny.
Which price that? Yeah. Oui, mes amis.
Smile, Jenny. No.
So did you guys enjoy?
Say relax.
Relax. Did you guys enjoy the Oceanic Boil?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
How y'all just answer like that?
I enjoyed.
Yeah, the garlic bread was really good.
The food was good. On seul bagay Jenny pas manger, c'est ça qui fait.
Mommy, this is English channel. This is not Creole channel.
English channel.
You have to speak English.
Oh, no big English.
No speak English.
I'm speaking Creole.
What?
Speaking Creole.
She is messing up the vlog.
Okay,
She really
you
is.
know what?
She sound like she
I stopped on 82nd Street and we bought like natural juice.
You see Jenny's dress?
Yeah.
Where?
No.
This is my
I didn't
juice.
even realize.
That's very
Oh,
good.
because she was in the driver's seat.
Yeah.
What I have in my juice?
You know what's funny? I was saying, you know, Jenny, I'm getting tired of your car now, man.
Oh,
It's
you
not
gonna
the
buy
car.
a new one?
No, you guys could talk. You know the lyrics, not me. I can only sing it with the song on.
Sakapet, c'est Elliot. I love when she said that. Sakapet, c'est Elliot.
You said it right the first time. The second time, I don't know what that was.
She was trying to put some smack in it.
Yeah.
Binimbalo tutu.
Okay guys, so we finally finished watching Toy Story 4. I don't know if I told you guys that's what we were gonna go see, but we finally finished. It was such a good movie. I'm really like a kid when it comes to cartoons. Like, you tell me we're gonna go watch a cartoon and I'm down. I don't care. But what was I gonna say? Oh, so I'm going to end the vlog here. So if you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell all your family and friends to holla at your girl. Bye guys.